Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the popular news on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the home page, and go to the popular section next to the My News button at the upper side of the screen. And here you can find popular news about different topics. And if you want to read one, just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.